Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem you might be having with Deepseek if you're getting an error that the server is busy and to try again later. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can get started. So to be able to use Deepseek, you're going to need an account. So you can click the start now button right here. That's going to open up the new page where you can get started with registering for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where, as you can see, we can access Deepseek. We can find all the sections we have, we can go ahead and open it up, get started with using it, and so on. So let's say you are asking something Deepseek, you have asked for some help or something, and it gives you the error that the server is busy and to try again later. Basically guys, there is only one solution, and that is to make sure first that your internet connection is running successfully. If you have a stable internet connection and the problem isn't on your part, then what you want to do guys is just wait. Sometimes the Deepseek servers are really having problems. You want to wait for half an hour, maybe an hour or two, doesn't matter, until they fix their servers. So once the servers get back running up again, you can try again, and then you'll be able to get your answers, because sometimes just too many people are using Deepseek and the servers are having trouble answering to everybody. So you just want to wait and then come back sometime later on and try it again, and basically that's what you can do. So go ahead and check it out for yourself to see if it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.